Come on now. Where's the next one? Oh, okay. Wait for it. There it is. Trying to get the best view possible. It's raining a lot, man. And we live in Los Banos, California, so that's like, this is like a lot of rain. As soon as you out, you're like, eh. So we get another one. Ooh, okay, that's getting close. Let's get some more room. This is crazy. I'm so surprised because I've never seen lightning this loud so close before. Oh my god, it's like right on top of it. Holy sh... Oh my god. That is right on top of us. Okay, get off of me. Okay. There's a front row seat for me. And, like, right as a stroke, man. Just power through my window. So powerful. I'm telling you, this is the loudest and most lightning I've ever seen in my life. Well, at least I can remember.
A few good ones last year.
Where Julia? It's right over here. Like, I saw a big flash. It's right over here.
Yeah.
So it's still coming towards us. This is pretty big. I had a front row seat, man. That was loud. Let's go back. Come on, need another one. A lot of rain. There's a highway right next to us, so yeah. Oh, it's getting loud. It won't be too loud. This is pretty cool. I hear thunder and lightning makes you go to sleep sometimes, but I don't, not sure. Not for me, I don't think. They're getting a lot of rain. Interesting. Just gotta close that. Whew. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, it was like right there. Dang, I just feel like it's gonna strike like right there. It might strike like right there. But I was told it was following the cloud, so it won't like strike the ground. Hopefully. It's dark over there, but then again, because the sun's going down. This is a good game, though. Hold on. Why move this up? Tiberan? I don't know. Look back up here. Oh, that's a good song. That's like my favorite song and the one best songs in a NASCAR game. Ready for another one. Woo! That's like right there. Yeah, that's my monster jam.